Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lisa. So today I thought I would do a super fast, super easy tutorial of one of my favorite yoga poses, probably my top 3, Ardha Chandrasana or half moon. This is a pose I see a lot of people maybe a little fearful to give it a try in class, but it's actually one of the best poses I think to really see the progression of your yoga practice because it happens in steps. It's a journey. And when we fall out of the pose, we just get back in, right? That's how we get better at anything. It's a practice. So we're going to come through half moon coming from a triangle pose. So open up your feet, find your prasarita stance. Good. And I'm facing you. So you're going to pivot that right foot over to your left foot over to the left. Good. And your right foot's kind of pigeon-toed, heel out, toes in, hips square to the front. So we're finding our Utthita Trikonasana. Open up your arms, your angel wings, I call them. And then look forward at your front hand. Good. And then as you bump that right hip back towards the back heel, tip it on forward. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Big inhale. And then exhale. Bring that hand down to a block, your ankle or a shin as you reach your top hand up. So here we are in our triangle. Use your block or we're here, right? So it's a journey. Use your props. They give you more space. Good. So the first step coming into half moon, I'd like you to take that top hand and bring it to your hip. Look down at your block or your front hand. Good. Begin to put a bend into that left knee and begin to walk that block up as you take as many steps as you need with this back foot. Good. So take as many steps as you need. Walk that block forward until it's underneath the shoulder. All the weight comes into that left leg. Good. So give it a few tries, and what we're doing is picking up that right leg. Good, so give it a few tries till you pick up that leg. Find your balance. Good. Keep flexing through the lifted leg, through the foot. Press it. Press the femur bone into your hip socket. That's also going to help you balance. So good, here we are. We breathe, 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 breathe. Breathe. And then the next journey that happens in Ardha Chandrasana is maybe our gaze goes forward. Good. And then the top arm goes up towards the sky. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Heart open. Feeling fun, feeling free. One more breath. And then exhale, look down, hand back on the hip. Step that foot down. And we rise. Yay. So give that a try. Again, I fall out of it all the time, so if you fall out, just get back in and give it another try with half moon Ardha Chandrasana. So I hope you have fun with this pose and let go of fear. Give it a try in your next class. And thank you for joining me. So please click subscribe if you liked this practice and click the little bell wherever it is so you can be notified of our next practice together. And I'll meet you right back here. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.